Hey guys, welcome to Kanak's Kitchen again. Today I'm gonna show you a yummy sandwich or a bun which is usually stuffed with some non-veg sausages in it. But today I'll be showing you the vegetarian version of it, that is veg hot dogs. These are a kind of sandwich prepared out of buns stuffed with some fried veg hot dog in it, which is quite filling and wholesome, and it is perfect for any kind of hunger cravings. And this recipe is requested by a viewer named Crystal Aurora to show it on my channel. So Crystal, here is the recipe for you. First up, in a pan, heat some oil or butter. Once it is heated, I am going to add in the onions first. Saute these for a while. Along with the ginger and the garlic crushed into it. And again stir it just for a while to saute these. Next goes in the vegetables. So in goes some capsicum first, some carrots and the corns, and again saute these until slightly tender for around 2 to 3 minutes. And if you want, you can also use any other vegetables along with these vegetables, like you can use some beans, mushrooms or even peas. Now to this I am going to add some salt and the pepper over the vegetables and saute these. Now goes in the boiled and grated potatoes along with the soya granules. Here I've got these soya granules which I had soaked in water and removed the excess water out of it. Make sure you remove the excess water. This helps in making the hot dogs crispy and firm. And it also helps in giving a nice meaty texture to the hot dogs. If you want, you can also add some paneer over here. Saute these for a while until the mixture becomes relatively dry. Now add in some more salt as needed, followed by the paprika, red chili flakes and the mixed herb seasoning, and mix well. Here I am adding these flavors as I personally like it, but if you want, you can also add some Indian spices like red chili powder, cumin powder and garam masala to it to suit your palate. Now saute it for some more time until it becomes little dry, and once it comes to that stage, close the flame. And now to this, add the breadcrumbs and the fresh cilantro and give it a good mix. Now let this mixture cool down a bit before putting it into the blender. Now transfer this mixture into the blender without adding any water and blend it for some time or until it becomes smooth yet slightly chunky. You can see the texture of it. Now transfer this into a bowl and let this rest in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes or until it has become slightly firm to roll into hot dogs. And now, taking a small portion with the help of your greased hands, make hot dogs out of it. So for this, shape them into an oblong shape, rolling them between your palms, which should be between 4 to 6 inches in size or enough to fit into your hot dog buns. You can see how it looks now. Keep doing this with all the mixture. These are ready now. I am going to dust these very slightly with the wheat flour. This will help in making it more firm, and it will also give it a good golden brown color on top. Now heat enough oil for frying and deep fry these in batches into the hot oil, spacing them out so that they don't break. And keep flipping and turning the sides as required to cook them evenly on all the sides, and it should become golden brown and crispy on top. You can see they are done enough now. I'm going to remove them on a kitchen towel and keep it aside. And now for the assembling, take a bun and slit it into half this way. And now I'm going to toast it slightly with some butter onto the pan. And then remove it onto a plate. And now I'm going to place a few pieces of the cabbage or lettuce over it. Here I'm using lettuce leaves. Spread it evenly to cover the top. Next I'm going to use a cheese slice which I've cut into 4 triangles, and I'm going to place these one after the other. Now place a fried hot dog over it into the center with some onions, capsicum, some tomato pieces and a few jalapeno pieces, and then slowly close it with the help of your hands. Lastly, a thin layer of the mayonnaise this way, making swirls out of it if you can. You can also use some mustard sauce over here. That's the way it's usually served. Next comes a layer of the ketchup over it. Again swirling it. And this is ready to enjoy. So my mouth-watering and lovely looking veg hot dogs are ready, and once you'll try this, I'm sure you'll be satisfied with all its goodness and the flavors in it. So Crystal, I hope you liked today's recipe, and if this video helped you in any way, then do leave me a comment and also share this video with your friends and family by clicking on the share button. And if you wish to receive mobile notifications for all my new videos and updates, then you can click on the bell icon which is on the homepage of my channel from your YouTube mobile app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Kanak's Kitchen if you haven't subscribed yet. Till then, take good care of yourself. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.